Okay, let's look at the test on last Monday, chapter 7. This chapter is very easy, but some students get some careless mistake, or they do it carelessly and then they do not get good marks. Let's see. Most students can get this answer, okay? But they do not know what is the smallest integral value of x, or they just misunderstand it. Right here, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and you know that 10 over 7 is somewhere here, 1 point something, okay? If you draw this figure, and then you will see that the answer is 2. The smallest one is 2, not 1, okay? The smallest is 2, not 1. And for this part, you get this part, most students get it correctly. But you are going to divide the -3 on both sides. You cannot do it. You have to change the inequality sign, okay? You have to change it from less than to greater than or equal to, okay? This is very, very important. This step is very, very important, okay? You have to change the inequality sign, okay? And now, the last part is draw the figure, okay? If this is 0, this is, for example, -7, -8, and -9. You know that -25 over 3 is -8 something, okay? So here, you get this is -25 over 3, and then you draw the figure here. And you see that the smallest integral value satisfying the equation is -8, okay? Not -7 or -9. Many careless mistakes. And for this example, it is most students get this 2 correctly, and then but they cannot get this 2. Okay, let's draw it. Here is 0, here's -1, here's -2, and you know that -7 over 4 is somewhere here. Okay. Okay, you see that all these are solution, okay? All these are solution, but the largest one is -2, not -1 or -3, okay? I will not do this one. And then we look at question 3. Question 3, many students did it very good, okay? And then they can draw the figures, okay? Very easy. But remember, what you are going to do here is to multiply the 4 goes here, and the 3 multiply here. And some students directly multiply 12 on both sides, which are both correct, but do it carefully, okay? But some students forget to draw the figure because it is what we said, solve represent the solution graphically. And most students get the correct answer for this one. I will not discuss here. And then for this question, part A, very easy, you get this answer. And part B, you can see that this is M, if you call it M, and this is M, and then you can use the result that M is less than 3, which is 3x plus 2 is less than 3. Then you can easily get the correct answer here. And some students do it again, and then there's some careless mistakes which leads them cannot solve the problem correctly. And for this question, okay, many students did it very poor, okay? Fortunately, it is only a few marks. Many students get that part A, but part B, they start with this one, okay? And then what they're going to multiply by a negative number. So you have to change the inequality sign. Do you see that? But many students forget to change the inequality sign. Again, for this problem, and then some students did not do it following the above steps. Okay, let's say here, you see here, it's here. So you start from here, and then you can easily get the answer. No need to do it again and again. right? And then question 6, very simple. You set up the equation, okay? Because it is $40 each, you buy 3, but you don't know how many English books you buy, but it is $55. So you set up the equation, you get x should be less than 7 something. So you have to write something can buy at most, because the question asks you like this. And question 7 is a little bit difficult for some of you, okay? I go through it carefully. 250x for $200. 25 of them are cracked, okay? That cannot be sold. Okay, the rest of the egg, we sell the rest of the egg, okay, at a profit not greater than 35%, okay? Find the maximum selling price, okay? You let, okay, X dollars with the selling price of each egg, okay? And you see that the less than 35% is the new, the new value minus the old value divided by the old value times 100%. What is the old value? That is the original value, which is 200, okay? This one is 200, okay? And the new value is that you're going to sell at X dollars, but you cannot sell 380x, 50x. What you're going to sell, because 5 are cracked, so you 225x. Okay, X dollars times 225. And then after solving it, you will see that X, why like this, okay? X will be less than or equal to 1.2. Okay, but many students cannot get correlate during these steps. What I do is to think about the profit first, okay, which is $70. Then the selling price is the profit together with the original value minus the number, divided by the number of eggs you sold, okay, which you get 1.2, okay? So some students do not understand this, some students do not understand this question well, so they cannot do it, okay?